What is up, YouTube? Trade Mode James. Today is March 10th, 2021. Guys, we got a few things to talk about today. It's been an awesome day so far, guys. It just really has. We are currently up 3.14% today. That is awesome. That is great, guys. We're at 1456. I told you guys if we were to close yesterday above 1418, that we would probably see a big spike. We almost did it, guys, and we did see that spike. Today we peaked up. What is our peak today? We opened at 1510 today, guys. Our high was 1562. Guys, I'm telling you, these walls, if we keep breaking through them, we're just going to continue to make higher lows and higher highs, and we're going to see the stock price go up. Guys, the earning call is tomorrow. Not sure what that's going to do to the share price, guys, but as long as we stay above 15 today, I can't see it going too much lower tomorrow or in the next couple days. We're probably going to see some kind of movement after these earning calls come out tomorrow, and we're going to see what Summit Sharma has to say and all that's going on. I'm super excited about it. Guys, I'm really excited about that because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. All right, we just don't know. This could be an earnings call that actually makes the share price go up this time instead of down like most of them. Guys, all right, look at these other companies today, guys. LiDAR's up in general. Velodyne's trash. Guys, Velodyne just needs to go ahead and call it quits. They're not looking too good, guys. All right, we surpassed them already weeks ago. Luminar's next, guys. They only have 4.23 million in volume today. Luminar. Velodyne has 6.41 today, and we got 9.4. Obviously, every day we're trading higher volume than them. This stock is more noticeable, more viral than these other two, and it's just better, guys. It's just better. Let's talk about well, let's see this real quick. Let's check out this. Let me tell you guys something here, because I told you guys yesterday that if we closed above the 50 SMA on the hour, we're going to see a spike, guys, and that just happened, actually, guys. That just happened. We just broke and closed above. Oh, we didn't close yet. All right, we didn't close yet on this candle. We still got 22 minutes, but I'm pretty sure we're going to, guys. All right, we're going to close above this 50 SMA here. And like you guys see here, okay, so we had this move down, boom, 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 touch points, 3 of them, downtrend verified, close above the high in the previous downtrend. We talked about that. We talked about this market crash. We talked about this bounce off this trend line that I thought was going to happen, and it did. We respected this trend line here, came down, we broke through it with this big breakout candle here, guys. This is where I got excited, and everybody did, because we were like, oh, man, we finally found the bottom. The bottom's 1010. The bottom's 1006, or whatever this is right here. What is this? 1010, basically. That's the bottom. I think that's the realized bottom. I don't think it's ever going to go lower than that. It just seems it seems irrational. It seems illogical. It seems asinine. Guys, it really does. All right. We're going to close above this 50 SMA, guys, which is just so awesome. This is just bouncing back really nicely, guys. On the 4-hour chart, we need to push above this 50 on the 4-hour. That would be sweet. A little bit more long-term stability if we can do that, guys. But in the short term, you know, the 30 minutes, we're trading above it. RSI is not too oversold. I mean, we're just kind of hovering around. We got some resistance right here, and we're just kind of hovering around this area. It's not really going up or down at the moment. We kind of are consolidating here, it looks like, on a shorter term. 30-minute chart shows a little bit of consolidation. I think price wants to be around 1450. It's looking like right now we're 1455. That's awesome, guys. We are really doing this. We're going to go back up. Guys, look. We're just going to keep doing this, all right? I mean, hopefully, we just keep making these higher highs. Touch points on this trend line would be good. I wouldn't mind a touch point on this trend line. I don't want to see it. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Who does? I mean, right, we're in this to make money, not to watch our portfolios go red. But, guys, I wouldn't mind a touch point on this trend line. It's still going to be a higher high no matter where it touches. If it touches this trend line here, it's still going to be a higher high than right here. If it touches here, it's still going to be a higher high. You know, if it touches anywhere on this trend line, we're going to be at a higher low. I'm sorry. I've been saying higher. I just woke up, guys. I'm trying to get with it today. I woke up late. I was up late last night studying charts and doing all kinds of stuff. So, but yeah, guys, if we touch this trend line, it's not going to be that big of a deal. It would suck to drop, you know, $4.50 or almost $4 back down to this trend line, but this trend line is respected, so I'm honestly not worried about it. After I saw this jump, I just, you know, guys, I'm not really worried about it going lower than 1010 at this point. I'm not. I was on the drop down. I was like, woo, how low can we go? But this looks like it's going to be about it. I mean, I just can't imagine it going lower. So we're looking good on that end, guys. Let's see here. What else can we talk about? So if we keep seeing bounces on this trend line, no, we're going to be all right, guys. We're going to be all right. We're going to be back up in no time. And if you look at, you know, let me see if I can scroll in here for you guys. If you look at this weekly chart, guys, I mean, this is just a 50% retracement. from the big move. Big move, 50% retracement. Now we're headed back up. That's just what it looks like to me. Every stock goes up and every stock goes down. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Reddit says it. Chartology says it. It is what it is, guys. They do go up and they do go down. That is a fact. All right, guys. So let's go back down here to this 1 hour chart real quick. I want to see something real fast. Today, I mean, honestly, we've been kind of chill today. Today's been a very chill day. We did break above $15. That is awesome. To bounce back from, I mean, it's just insane how much this stock moves. It's just so volatile right now. And it's volatile in the right way. Like, you know, there's not really, like, I think we found our actual bottom here. So the volatility could bring this back down, you know, under $11, but really at the end of the day, the charts are telling me we're going up. I mean, yeah, we have this big downtrend, but it is what it is, guys. This is just a retracement. This right here is the market crashing. So I think if the market didn't crash, we probably would have retraced down to about right here. And I think this is where we would have started going up because we made a higher high here in the above this downtrend high, the previous high in the downtrend. So I think that we probably would have went up from here, but this market crash just kind of delayed things a little bit. It is what it is. These guys can do whatever they want. We're at their mercy, guys. You and I both know that. And if you don't know that, you should, because you are at their mercy. I promise you. That is a fact. All right. They make the waves. We ride them. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. You can't beat them in this game. Don't try to do it. You will not win. You will lose money. I promise you. And you will be very, very sad. You will not beat the market makers. It's impossible, guys. All right. You just have to ride their waves, get in at the right times, and, you know, get out at the right times as well. Getting out is more important than getting in, to be honest with you. It really is. It's, in my opinion, knowing when to get out is very, very important. We're going to talk about that in some later videos on what I think a good exit point is for this stock. It's kind of hard to say because your financial situation might be different than mine. And please remember this, I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy that trades stocks, and, you know, my risks might be more than your risks, and your risks might be more than my risks. So it kind of is relative to what we got going on in our lives, guys. All right. But just know that this is a very, 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 very strong stock to be in. It's a good time to be in it. You could see that by the volatility. All right. And this is just very worth it, guys. This stock is a great investment. All right. You know, I wanted to talk about Microsoft for a second because, you know, I think they're actually a pretty big contender for some microvision stuff. You know, microvision has 450 patents, if I'm not mistaken. I believe they have 450 patents, guys. All right, so anyone doing any kind of like display or anything like that is probably testing those waters of their patents, guys. All right, seriously. Microsoft purchased Bethesda. I don't know if you guys knew that. It's a gaming company. I don't know if you guys play Skyrim. I play Skyrim. Play Fallout, all this stuff. I'm a big gamer. They did purchase Bethesda, and I'm trying to read here on my phone where I read about this. But basically, Microsoft uses the HoloLens 2, okay? It uses projectors from Microvision. Fact, 100% fact. All right. And a lot of former Microvision employees actually now work for Microsoft. That is a fact as well. All right. So I could see Microsoft being interested in Microvision's AR division, their vertical, you know, for new versions of the HoloLens, launching Surface glasses, and just a natural evolution of their HoloLens. Microvision has what it takes, guys. They already use their projectors. It's just a fact. Microvision is the only manufacturer to offer LiDAR system that offers a high resolution. I think it's 15.5 million dots per second, optionally up to 20 million dots per second. All right. And in addition to that, it's small, it's inexpensive. I think the estimation for it is like 50 or 60 bucks. It's just an ideal accessory for Xbox, all these things. The companies that are getting into augmented reality games and virtual reality stuff. I mean, it's just, it makes sense for Microsoft to want to snap this up, guys. It just really does. And then, you know, you add in the value of automated cars and autonomous driving and stuff like that. Oh my God, Microvision is going to skyrocket, guys. It just has so many verticals that you will just never know about until it happens. This boom, guys. All right. Nobody's going to know this boom is going to happen. It's just going to happen. All right. Not a lot of people know about Microvision. All right. It is a viral stock, but I think it's still kind of underground, which I'm making these videos to hopefully change that. You know, I want people to see the value in this because the more people that jump in, I mean, the higher the stock prices goes, you would think. All right. I'm not convinced that, you know, that's actually the case in the market at this point. I think that they do what they want to do, but it is what it is. I wear my tinfoil hat quite often. So I'm a big conspiracy guy, but you know, we'll talk about that later, guys. But anyways, so it's just the leading LiDAR technology in the industry. You know what I mean? They just have leading LiDAR technology. They have augmented reality technology. They have so many things that are just great verticals for this company to make this share price go up, guys, in a buyout situation, or maybe they sell multiple verticals to different places. I mean, I don't know what Sumit Sharma has planned, but I think the guy, I mean, I think he's a genius, man. Honestly, after, you know, doing all my research, and I think the guy knows what he's doing. And I know where he's taking this company. Okay, he knows what he's doing. He's bringing big names in here, guys. All right, you know, they just really are. So, I mean, I think, and you know, when you compare it to the other companies, I really believe that Microvision overall is the best way to play the LiDAR AR VR space game, guys. I just really do. There's the other companies, just, I mean, I've looked into them as well, and I've done DD on them, and I would just never pick them over Microvision. I just wouldn't. I mean, if, like I said, guys, I mean, if I have all three portfolio laid out in front of me and I'm reading through their financials, I'm reading through the technology, I'm just doing my due diligence on the companies, I'm picking Microvision 100% of the time. I just am. I mean, it's just a fact. You know, it's just hard. It's hard to bet against them, man. It really is. And I just would never do it after knowing what I know and seeing what I've seen and researching what I've researched. I just could not do it, guys. All right. Let's look at these average volumes. I think we're still probably, okay, so we're still around 20 million, which is pretty standard for Microvision. Look at these other companies. We're 2-to-1 on Luminar, guys, in volume today. We're killing Velodyne. Velodyne is just, I don't even know why somebody would put their money in that company. I mean, if there was a LiDAR company to short, it's Velodyne, guys. It really is. I just don't understand people sometimes. You know, see these comments on Reddit and stuff talking about, if you go to the Velodyne subreddit, which I actually need to go do, I'm sure they have they're having a field day in there with them. I'm sure the Bears are having a field day with them. But so volume wise, we're good, guys. Let's talk about this real quick. Moon ETF, guys. I don't know if you know what Moon ETF is, but it's a huge ETF, and Microvision is their biggest holding, guys. It's their biggest holding, 8.08%. Look at this. This is their biggest holding. That's a huge sign of value to me. Why would this ETF have 8.08% of their entire holdings in Microvision? All right, they know something, guys. This is very obvious. I mean, all these people are in cahoots with the banks. I really think at this point that they're all in cahoots and they know things that we don't know. Obviously, there's illegal activity going on, but who's going to stop it? Who's going to stop it? You can't tell Joe not to tell John something in the bathroom while they're taking a piss. You know what I'm saying? What are you going to do, right? So people know things, guys. They don't have 8% of their whole holdings in Microvision for no reason. This just doesn't make any sense, guys. All right. So this is a big deal. If you didn't know this, now you know. ETF, the Moon ETF, go check it out. You can see all the holdings they hold right now, guys. Microvision is 8.08%, guys. That is pretty big. All right, that's around the same stake that Ford had in Velodyne before they pulled out. Ford had like 7.5% of their of the company or something like that. I probably should go look that up, but I think Ford had 7.5% stake in Velodyne until they pulled it out, which right now, I mean, I'm sure they're looking for somewhere else to put their money. So, you know how that goes. The AR market, guys, it's expected to grow 5 times over the next 6 years. Seriously, like a sale of Microvision today could make it pop off, guys. It really could. This share price is going to go up. There's no doubt in my mind about it at this point. There's just not, guys. I'm trying to read as I speak here because I want to make sure I accurately say what I'm trying to say. But there's just no other LiDAR company or AR company that I would be in other than Microvision. This Moon ETF is awesome, guys. Check it out. Like I said, 8.08% there. That's pretty good. Let's go back to this chart real quick, guys. We pushed back down here to 1443, which I'm not even worried about, guys. Like I said, we closed above 1418. If we close above 1418 today, we're still good, guys. We are good. This is a big wall, guys. A respected wall. You can see right here. Broke through this wall, respected, pushed back up with these big wicks. It wants to be above 1418. You can see here. It literally wants to be above it. All right. And I think it wants, and this is looking pretty similar. If you look at this area right here, all right, and then you go left and you look at this area right here, it's pretty similar. And you also have the wall right here where it touches this wall and bounces off, touches this wall and bounces off, guys. This is a level of support. All right. It just is. You can see it's support, boom, support, boom. We broke down here. This was the market. This is just the market being crashed, guys. We're going to stay above 1418. I think that we're probably going to close above that today for sure. And tomorrow we'll get this earning calls and see what's going on. I'm excited about that. Like I said, guys, this is looking really good. It really is. For any new shareholders or anybody that's new to investing in Microvision, I would tell you that it's probably going to be a rocky road on the way up, but you know, don't realize those losses. If you're in red right now, just hold tight. I truly think we're going to be back in the, you know, post $19 range in the next week or two. I truly believe that. All right, guys. We're gonna make our way up this trend line. That's a fact. All right. So if we keep bouncing off this trend line, that's just even better, guys. That's awesome. I would imagine it's 100% probably gonna touch this trend line. I don't think this is a touch right here. This isn't close enough for me to call that a touch, but I think we're probably going to just kind of trade sideways for a little bit and probably touch somewhere over here in the $14 range, maybe a little lower over here, you know, $13.80, something like that. And I think we're going to just keep bouncing off, make higher highs, make higher lows, guys. I think that's definitely probably what's going to happen. It looks like we're going to close above this 50 SMA on the hourly here in about 8 minutes, about 9 minutes. So that's good. That's really good. That's, oh man, that's very exciting news. All right. I think a buyout is probably going to happen sometime after April. And if a buyout doesn't happen, I think that they're definitely going to just sell verticals or do something. Sharma's going to do something, guys. There's not a legitimate reason why he would, you know, do all the things that he's doing if he wasn't trying to raise the company's value, right? So they raised $50 million, no, they released 50 million shares. They did the ATF, and then guys, I think that money was generated, was raised so that they could bring their products to market. That's what I think. I think that I think a lot of that money they just made with this dilution is just a way for them to bring their products to market quicker. That's what I think. I think that he's trying to push it through. I don't think that he's ready to wait anymore. I don't think he's trying to wait anymore, guys. I think he's waited a long time, and I think it's time to shine. So it's time to go. Oh, my cat's going crazy. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. And like I said, I think he's tired of screwing around. He's ready to go with it. So, you know, we got that dilution and he took all that money, and I think they're using that to bring their products to market. That's what I personally think. Guys, this is a huge deal, man. There's a lot going on right now in the market. You know, for this stock to be trading under $1 and be doing this right now is absolutely insane. I mean, it doesn't happen for no reason, right? It wouldn't make any sense in the world for this to happen for no reason. Okay, so guys, just hold tight. We're gonna keep bouncing off this trend line here. You know, I can't see us going below it, but if we do, we touch this trend line, probably bounce off that. That's what I see right now, guys, as far as price action goes. There's not much else to talk about, guys. We're kind of low on volume today. It's not too crazy. It's not too bad. It's not too good. It's pretty average, I think, for us right now. It says 20 million average. I think our average is somewhere around like 14, honestly, but it is what it is. Guys, it's been a crazy day. GameStop, let's talk about GameStop real quick. GameStop, oh my God. Like I said, guys, if you don't know this about me, I'm a professional poker player. I travel around the country and play tournaments and cash games and stuff like that. And I have been doing it for quite a while. I'm a gambler, guys. I wouldn't even put my money in GameStop. That's a scary stock. It really is. That stock just scares me. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's so volatile. Oh my gosh. And you never know what's going to happen. These market makers are just, oof. I bet they're having a field day with these people. They're laughing all the way to the bank with people taking their losses on GameStop, and it's just crazy. I can't see myself ever getting in that stock. Oh man, even AMC is kind of scary. AMC's down as well today, so AMC follows GameStop. We all know that. So if you're in AMC or GameStop, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think is going to happen. I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. But I don't think I could ever be convinced to invest in GameStop unless it drops back down to $40. If GameStop dropped back down to $40 at this point, I might put a couple thousand in it, maybe, possibly. All right, just to see if it was going to bounce back. But if not, I mean, I other than that, I probably wouldn't put too much money in that stock. It's just too scary. It really is. Microvision's looking good, guys. Hold tight. I know you guys like these Microvision videos. I don't think there's a lot of people covering them, and I'm probably not the best guy to do it, but I'll tell you what, I have a little bit of knowledge and I got a little bit of value to share with you guys, and you guys are loving it, man. It's been pretty cool the last couple of days, actually. Guys, I think I hit 300 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken. I believe I hit 300 subscribers. Let's check real fast. Talk about this real quick. So 296, that is awesome, guys. And the videos just keep getting more exposure, so that's good too. You can see these numbers here just growing slowly growing. That's pretty awesome. That's really great, guys. I really appreciate y'all for leaving me all these nice comments. And I don't think I actually have any thumbs down. I'm pretty sure I don't. Let me check. I think I'm 100% thumbs up. That's incredible. Yeah, look at this. 100% on my thumbs up. That is so cool. Not one person has thumbs down the video. That's amazing. Wow. That's just awesome, guys. These t-shirts coming today, guys, or tomorrow maybe. I will be announcing the 5 winners probably Monday. They came a little later than I thought, so Monday we'll probably get to that and get you guys these t-shirts. I appreciate y'all for sticking around and subbing to the channel and leaving the comments. It's been great, guys. Today's been real chill. There's not much to talk about, guys. I told you if we close above this 1418, probably going to see a spike, and we did. We got up to about 1560. That is just awesome. That's great news, guys. You know, we have some sell pressure here. Do not get it twisted, all right? It's looking like it's struggling to get above this 50 SMA and close. How close are we to closing above this? Let's see here. I guess we could watch this close while I'm making this video. We'll see if this closes above the 50. I think it will. You know, we got 3.5 minutes left. It's probably going to close above the 50, guys. That's really good news, all right? It really is. And that's not to say that we're not going to break back down below 1418 and touch this trend line. It probably will happen. I imagine this will probably happen tomorrow, but I mean, it's hard to say. I can't really predict that because I don't know what's going to happen. All right, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to have to wait and see what price action tells me. All right, and that's about it, guys. If you look at this move, let's see here, from this big candle right here that closed above the previous high in the downtrend, I thought we were going to go up here, but look at this. This is, whew, that was a saucy dip right there. That was a very, very, very saucy dip. That was a gnarly one. I think a lot of people took their losses here, for, unfortunately, you know, out of fear. A lot of new traders don't understand the swings. The swings don't affect me too much, guys. I play poker. I know about swings. Trust me. So the swings don't really affect me, especially if I believe in something. And just like I play poker and believe in myself in poker, I know that the swings are going to happen, and I know eventually I'm going to bounce back and make that money back that I lost. That's just almost a fact. So same thing here. I believe in this stock. I believe in the vision of Sumit Sharma. I believe in all the things he's doing, bringing these big names in here to shake stuff up. He diluted the share value a little bit, released a bunch of new shares so he could raise some money. And I think that was strictly because he wants to have some cash on hand to bring the products to market, guys. That's what I think. And Microsoft is a huge I don't even know what word to use here because I'm just trying to think of a word. They are probably a very big potential buyer, guys. I think Microsoft definitely wants to pick up Microvision. I mean, guys, they already used their projector. I mean, it's like they know what Microvision is. They know what it has. Why wouldn't Microsoft just snap it up for 15 or 20 billion and be done with it, right? It's like, come on, Microsoft, do it. 20 billion. Let's go. Buy Microvision. Buy the whole company. Let's get this share price up there. What would that be? That would be a pretty solid share price number, guys. If they bought it for 20 billion times 650, that's $130 share price right there. All right. If you look at Velodyne, is it Velodyne? Who's got the 7 billion market cap? Who is it? I think it's Luminar. Yeah. So Luminar's market cap is 8 billion. Luminar, they're nothing compared to us. We have so much more verticals. We have so much more growth space, scalability. There's just so much more to Microvision than these other companies. This company has an 8 billion market cap, guys. We're at 2.10 billion right now. A buyout happens for $20 billion. You're going to see that share price skyrocket. You just are. All right. And if you're holding under $13 on your average, you're going to make a lot of money. Oh man, you're going to make a lot of money. Hopefully that happens for us. I think whatever happens is going to be positive. I can't see in the long term any negative things happening. I mean, unless, you know, we've just been completely lied to by Sumit Sharma, you know, which is illegal, and it's just not even logical. So I can't say it won't happen. I don't know, guys. You know, basically I'm going off price action. So whatever this is telling me is what I'm basing my moves off of. Okay, news is news. Words are words. Actions speak louder than words, guys. And the market, you know, when you're looking at candlesticks and patterns and all this stuff, this is action right here. All right. So this is what I base my opinions off of mostly. The news is great, you know, and reading things about Microvision is cool. And obviously do your research, but price action is king, guys. This is telling you where we're going. This is telling you right here that this level is respected. hardcore respected right here. All right, 1010, that's respected. And it just looks like we're going up, guys. Did we close above this 50? Let's see here. All right, guys. So yeah, it's struggling. It's struggling here. It's struggling to get above this 50 SMA and close. It just is. I think we're gonna do it on the 30-minute chart. We're well above it. So I think we're kind of consolidating here a little bit, and probably will be the likely case for the rest of the day. There's only what, an hour left in trading. So as long as we stay above 1418, guys, we are good. And right now we're at, what are we, 1434. So yeah, guys, we're good. Hold tight, guys. I know these videos, to me, I don't know, they seem a little bit shallow. I'm really only going over a few things right now. I'm trying to figure out ways to go deeper into this company for you guys, but I just don't have the time to really sit here during the day and do this at this moment, which is all going to change next week, because a lot of the things I got going on right now will be done next week. Thank God. So guys, like I said, look at this dip. This is a nice little RSI dip right here. Ooh, that's looking nice. I think we're going to, from that alone, I'm going to tell you, I think we're going to go up a little bit. I think we might close around 1460 today. We'll see what happens. It might, Microvision loves to jump up in the last 10 minutes of trading, so we'll see what happens, guys. Hold strong, hold tight, guys. Thank you so much for the subs. This has been awesome to watch you guys comment, and I checked on Weeble and have seen some random people talking about me. That was pretty cool. I didn't expect that. That's pretty dope. So shout out to you guys that did that. Hold strong, guys. Diamond hands. This is my Moonwatch number 6 video. I forgot to say that. I probably should have. And guys, I'm going to repeat this again for you, because I just want to be like everyone else in this sense, because I don't want anyone mad at me. I am not a financial advisor. Please, 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 please do your own due diligence. All right. Take what I say with a grain of salt, obviously. I'm just some guy on the internet, right? So make sure if you're going to put money in something, you know what it is. You know everything you can know about it, guys. Don't just blindly follow somebody. That's the worst thing you can do in trading. It just is. There's no real gurus. Nobody can really predict the market. All we can go off of is what we know. All right. And a lot of people like to go off, you know, articles and news and stuff like that. That's all cool. I go off price action. All right. I base my moves off price action, my predictions off price action. And I have a very, very, very high rate of being right. I just do. All right. So just take it with a grain of salt, guys. Hopefully you guys have some shares in this company. If not, it's still a great time to get in. Anything under 15 is good. If you can get under 13, you're killing it. You can get under 12 somehow, possibly, you are really killing it. Congratulations, guys. Leave a comment, like the video, and stay tuned for my next video tomorrow. We're just going to keep covering this. We're going to see what happens. We're going to ride this all the way up, guys. I can't wait to close above 24 or 50. That's going to be a great day. That's going to be a great day, guys. All right. Hope you guys have a very blessed day. Thank you for watching. And like I said, the videos are going to get better. I'm going to try to get it into some more detail, go through some more numbers, and get on the webcam and just do some live trading, which is really what I wanted to do to begin with. I really wanted to just get on live and stream and do some price action stuff. But these recordings are cool too, guys. So guys, have a great night. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.